How to fix blurry story on Facebook. So go ahead and open your Facebook and then click on the menu icon, and that's at the top right corner. So go ahead and go to Settings and Privacy at the very bottom and then click on Settings. So under Preferences, you'll see right here there is the Media option. So go to Media. So here under Video Quality, you'll see there is the Optimized and Data Saver option. So make sure that yours is on Optimized and not on Data Saver, because Data Saver uses up to 40% less data by reducing your video quality, and that might make your Facebook story blurry. Now, if it's on Optimized, it might still be blurry because it does adjust the videos to network connections. So make sure that you have a good network, and then the problem should be fixed. So that is how to fix a blurry story on Facebook.